channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations. And today I come to you with some mail. I don't know where it's from yet, but I'm pretty sure y'all know on the screen by now. So it came in this bubble mailer. I'm just starting to cut it. Forgot to show that before I start cutting. Uh-oh, almost cut through it. Didn't know it was that tall. All right, so let's move it up a little bit. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a diamond painting. It's wrapped up very tight. Oh Lord. Let's see. Let's see what this is. There's the drills. They're in baggies. Don't look like it's a lot. So this is an unboxing, guys. And here's the kit. Little rinky dink. Look at these. These ain't gonna do nothing. They're very flimsy. Honest opinion. Ooh, I like the placer. I don't know if that's a 3-placer or a 4-placer. This is a 4-placer. I like 3 places, but I think I might try the 3 places because these are the thin ones. I love the thin ones. And you get the thin wax. If you can see through it, it's not really that good. And you get the bolt. Look at it. It's got jaggeds on it. I don't know. They didn't cut it straight. Put that in there. Let's see. And also a 10-placer. And this is a thin one. Yes! So I will definitely be using those out of the kit. So let's get into this. It has, wow, it has plastic on it. Ooh, I hope this turns out okay. Still don't know who it's from yet. But it is tightly wound up. And then it has tape here. Let's get this off. Okay. I'm going to fold it down. Let's look at this back while we unroll it. Ooh, ooh, foam roller. Y'all know I love that. Let's see. Oh, I think I see it. It says Huacan. But the canvas itself is gorgeous. Look at that. It's a nice canvas. Let's flip it over. Let's see. It says Huacan. I got a 30 by 40. And, oh, okay. I remember what this is. Let me show you the thumbnail. It is the beach, the waves, the ocean with a palm tree and the sunrise or sunset. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so on the side here it says 35 colors. It's a 30 by 40 and it does have DMC codes. I'm loving that. Right here it says it's got the legend here. It's got DMC and the quantities. Does not come with a inventory sheet, but I'll have to make a copy of this so I can cut them out. But look at the legend. They look pretty good. All right, let's pull this baby back. Let's see what's going on here. There are 3 strips on here. Ooh, I don't like that. Look, that yellow coming through here. I know a lot of people don't like Huacan, but let's see. So I'm just, looks like it's poured double-sided adhesive. So let's pull it up. Yeah, it's double-sided adhesive. It's got 3 panels. Okay. Look like I got some rivers in here. I got so many ones now though. Ooh, you can see that sun busting through that, can't you? That's beautiful. Let's see. I don't know how it's gonna work. I just want to see these colors though. Oh man, that looks nice. Let's turn it this way, see if we can see what it looked like. Is that the wrong way? That might be the shoot. I can't see. Let me look through the camera. No, I still can't see what that is. But let's look at the drill field while we got this side up. Let me show y'all can see it. It's very clear. Very clear. You can see those symbols very clear. So we pulled that side up. Let's pull up the other side. Look how this one just going right back down. Oh, no it didn't. I lied. See? So let's get it straight, because this is not poured glue. Double-sided adhesive. But I do love the strips. I can just cut them. Okay. All right. Let's do this side. See how it's all bowled up like that? Let's pull these off. Just release like that. Kind of scared me a little bit. Okay. That double-sided adhesive, that sure is. I see some little river things in here. Oh, the sticky is great. Alright, so let me see if that's the way the palm tree. Oh, okay, I see it now. There's the palm tree, the sun, and then the ocean. Okay, I couldn't get it correct. This looks like a cute kid. Cute, cute, cute. So we'll see how it works, or this could go in a gift pile. I'm getting so many in now. Oh my goodness. And I'm starting to prefer poured glue. And then double-sided. Oh, can't leave it exposed like that. Well, how in the world did that do that? Okay, let's make sure that's covered. So maybe this one's a little bit too far over. But have y'all tried Huacan? Let me know what you think, guys. Okay, there we go. Ooh, yes. All right, the canvas itself, I can see it. I'm just hoping that I don't get any crazy popping drills. But let's flip it over and let's look at these drills, guys. And we're gonna take a seat. Sorry, Stitchy Poo, you got to move. Stitch is underneath my table. Let's open these up. Let's see. I love that they have them in baggies though. We will see. And there's no label on the bag, so I will have to, when I print it out, even if I give it as a gift to someone, I'm gonna still create them a copy and put it in the bag so they'll have it. No big deal. All right. Let's look at these. Oh, wait a minute. I see something. No, that's just a sticker. Yeah, it does have it right there. It says MS19963 30 by 40. MM19963. Yep. 30 by 40. Okay, so it does have it on there, so that's awesome. Let's look at these drills. I do love that they're in bags, guys. It's awesome. And I think this is the DMC code. It is. Awesome. And what I say, 35? Okay. This is number 996. 3743. And this is a round. It looks good. Got an extra one in there. 825. That's a pretty blue. 3752. This one is 725, a beautiful yellow. 3863, like a mauve color. This one, for some reason, these look tinier. When you look at them, looks like these are smaller, but it might just be my eyes, guys. This one is $38.66. $9.39. This is a very dark navy blue. That's not black. Y'all know that's $3.10. Then we have $30.41. It's another type of mauve color. That's pretty. This is $152. It's a pink. And this looks like a very light pink, and it's $37.70. This one is $154, so like a plum color. This one is $168, and that's a gray. You see what I'm doing, lining them up as I go. This one is $645. This is like a army green. Yeah. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. I love this blue. $38.44. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. You know that's for the ocean. That is gorgeous. Moving the thing. This one is $7.26. Another yellow. This one is $7.94, a baby blue. This one is $8.98. $8.98, yeah. Numbers like a brown. $5.35. It's a gray. Ooh, that's a darker gray than the one we just saw. $38.08. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. Then this one is $38.65. It's not a white, but it's close to it. It's like an off-white. This one is $38.63. That's a tan. Number 33. This one is $9.36, another kind of dark green. This one is $38.46. Look at that blue. That's a pretty blue too. Very pretty. This one is $6.47. I don't know if that's between a very light green and a gray. That's what it reminds me of. This one is $8.07. That's a lighter version of that blue that we saw. Very pretty. $8.23. This is a blue. Oh, that's a dark blue. This one is $33.71. Color is that? I don't know if that's like a purple, a dark purple, or brown. $33.71. I'm not good with the DMC code, so y'all know. This one is $9.45. That is number 20. This one is $7.30. Look like peas, pea green. Yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 8. Okay. Already went through these. Yeah. All right, we got a couple more. $9.38. This is a brown. It's a nice brown. A very light yellow. $30.78. This is 977. It's like a mustard, a dark mustard. Like your mustard dried up somewhere. Then we got 890. Got a little bit of that one. It's another green. And then last but certainly not least is 310. That's black. Got a big old bag of that one. That bag is full. So we're gonna have a lot of that. So let's count them up. What I say, we're gonna have 35. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, 310 is that one. That's the problem, guys. Number 4 is right here, the black 10. And then we ended up at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yay! They're all here. Okay, so this was a very nice, there's nothing, like nothing's wrong with these drills. I didn't see too many, you know, nibbly bits or anything like that in there. And I do love that they're already in baggies. So I may give this one out to someone. I've done oceans for a while. Let's move on. You know I got those other ones I'm trying to get to. All right. So y'all let me know what you think. Again, this was Huacan on Auntie Allie. And it is of the beach. Well, not the beach. It doesn't have any sand. It's rocks with the ocean brushing up against the rocks with the sunset or rise with the palm tree. It is very pretty. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.